Okay, so I've been working on this cat for a while, and these actually come with a remote, unlike the other type. When it's testing, it's super easy, but I noticed that it wasn't making sound. So I pulled out the old speaker and realized that it's supposed to have 8 ohms, and instead it's got like 60 mega ohms. So I grabbed one out of my toolbox and started it in real quick. It now makes noise like it's supposed to. It's got a purr button. It's also got this back talk feature, which was stolen from one of Axelon's other robots. Hello, robot. Hi, kitty. Meow. Boop-a-doop. Doo-doo-doo. I mean, it was cool in 1985, I guess. But I can see there's forward, backward, left, right. So it is working. Kitty, kitty. But I'm going to have to order another speaker because this one's toast. So there you have it.